Hello children, welcome to this video. In the last three modules, we have tested food items for the nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats and proteins. There are also other nutrients like vitamins and minerals also present in different food items. Why do we need all these nutrients? What do various nutrients do for our body? Let us find out answer for all these questions. Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. Fats also give us energy. In fact, fats gives much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate gives us instant energy. Example, when you drink a glass of lemon juice, you will get instant energy because it contains sugar in it, and it gives instant energy and we may feel more energetic. Like that, when you drink lassi before the exams, you may also feel energetic. So, foods containing carbohydrates and fats are also called energy giving foods. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. So, the food containing proteins are often called bodybuilding foods. The main sources of carbohydrates are nothing, this is plants. These substances such as soybean oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, etc. are contains fats. Some animals products also sources of fats such as butter, ghee, milk, cream, fish, egg, meat, etc. Moong dal, beans, soybean, etc. are the sources of proteins which are getting from plants. Then animal products such as milk, fish, eggs, paneer, etc. are also sources of proteins. Next is vitamin. Vitamins helps in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also helps in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. Okay, which are they? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. I repeat, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. There is also a group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. Our body needs all types of foods, that is vitamins in small quantities. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C, which will fight against many diseases. Then vitamin D, which helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth, because our bones as well as teeth they need calcium. So this vitamin D, which helps for body to use calcium for bones and teeth. So food that are rich in different vitamins that you can see in the following picture. That is, in the first picture you can see milk, fish oil, papaya, then carrots, etc. So these are the source of vitamin A. Liver oil, grains are the source of vitamin B. Then vegetables and fruits are the source of vitamin C. Then fishes, eggs, butter, meat, etc. are the source of vitamin D. Our body also prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Except vitamin D, we are getting all other vitamins from food, but vitamin D we are getting from sunlight. Minerals, which are also needed by our body in small amounts. Each one is essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. So here, these vitamins as well as minerals, which contain organic as well as inorganic compounds. That is vitamins which contain organic compounds, and this minerals which are containing inorganic compounds. So we will study these two, inorganic and organic compounds, later. And this organic compounds that may break down by heat, but no effect, you cannot see any effect on inorganic compounds when you heat the substance. So these are about the minerals and vitamins. So here also you can see the different sources of this minerals. Thank you so much for watching this video.